In this video, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to Temu app. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to link your PayPal account to Temu app, start by opening the Temu app on your device and make sure you are signed in to the account you want to use. Once you are inside the app, browse through the items and select the product that you want to purchase. After finding the item, tap on the Add to Cart option to place it in your shopping cart. You can continue shopping and add more items, or proceed directly to checkout if you are ready to make the purchase. Next, open your cart by tapping on the cart icon, and then select the checkout option. This will take you to the payment and order review page, where you can finalize your purchase. Scroll down until you reach the payment methods section, which is where you can choose how you want to pay for your order. From the list of available payment options, select PayPal. Tapping on PayPal will begin the payment process and redirect you to the official PayPal website. On this page, you will need to enter your PayPal email address or mobile number, then tap Next to continue. After entering your login details, PayPal will ask you to verify your account using a one-time passcode. Check your email or mobile device for the code, then enter it to complete the login process. This step ensures your account is secure before proceeding with the payment. Once you are logged in and verified, review the payment details carefully. Make sure the order amount and payment information are correct, then tap on the Agree and Pay Now option to confirm your payment. After completing this step, your PayPal account will be linked to the Temu app, and the payment will be processed successfully. From now on, your linked PayPal account can be used for future purchases in the Temu app, making it easier to check out quickly and securely without having to enter your payment information every time. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.